Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking laundry centers today, and we have a GE electric version. However, in the event that your laundry center washing machine is not turning on, we're going to show you a reset procedure, and it has to do with your household circuit breaker panel. Let's get started. We've made our way to our laundry center, and in our case, we have a GE model, and ours is electric as opposed to gas. And again, DIYers, in the event that your washing machine is not turning on, just ensure that you've selected a cycle and make sure all of your control knobs are properly configured. And again, if you press start and nothing happens, we are going to perform a system reset. Let's direct our attention to the power cord and block. Just make sure that the power block is pressed in all the way flush and mating with the connection point on the wall. And the power cord feeding down and behind the laundry center is not damaged. And if all looks good, that is all we are going to do at the laundry center at this point. Let's head to our household circuit breaker panel to continue the reset procedure. Making our way to our household circuit breaker panel, and a special thanks to my mom and dad for purchasing this gift for us, sunshine and salt water. We are going to remove this, and behind this is our circuit breaker panel. Taking a step back and referencing our diagram on the inner side of that gift, we are going to open up the access door or panel. And washing machine in our case is this 30 amp right here. We are going to carefully shift that to the left. And A and B circuits, as you see, off is shifted to the left, on is shifted to the right. On the left hand side, it's the opposite on the right. So if yours is set up like that, just ensure you are flipping the switches properly. We are going to leave that off or in the off configuration for 5 minutes. Back to the laundry center, and during that 5 minutes, just ensure that the light on the selector panel is no longer illuminated. You do not want to see that illuminated. If you do, it is not really turned off, and that's not good. It needs to be for the procedure. We are back with you. It has been 5 minutes, directing our attention back to that 30 amp circuit breaker, and carefully shift it to the right in our case, and ensure that this entire selection of breakers is properly configured. And from here, let's head back to the laundry center. Back to the laundry center, the first thing we are going to do is ensure that the power cord was not altered or tampered with during the 5 minutes at the circuit breaker panel. All looks good. Direct your attention to your selector panel. And as you can see, in our case, the wash light is illuminated, and that's what you want to see on yours as well. From here, go ahead and select your cycle. Ensure that your selector knobs are properly set and press start. We are not going to do that because we don't actually have anything inside here. And see if that reset procedure reconfigured your washing machine and got it working again. In the event that it does not, well, we have a second reset procedure that is down below in the comments and description. And that reset procedure, we actually work with this power cord as opposed to the circuit breaker panel, so definitely check that out. If that works, awesome. If it doesn't, let's direct our attention down here. And inside here, you have a lid switch, and anytime you have a load, this little prong goes inside that little slot and creates the electrical connection with the lid switch. And I will be honest, if that lid switch is faulty, the washer should still start. However, once it gets to the spin, it will not continue. It will turn off or give you a fault. However, the more likely cause in the event that either of those reset procedures do not work is your control board inside here. And DIYers, we've got you covered on that. Down below in the comments and description will be a link on removing that inner panel or center panel between the washer and dryer, and gaining access to the parts inside, which again include your control board for replacement. We hope this helps. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. In addition, over the months and years of owning your laundry center, in the event that you have had clothes go missing, whether it is socks, shirts, shorts, or gloves, a hat, whatever, they fall inside here. And there is a link down below in the comments and description on how to properly and safely remove this front panel. And when you remove that, you will find all of your missing items. Taking a step back, and before we wrap the video up, DIYers, in the event that you have replaced parts or you have owned the laundry center for many years and you've gotten to a point where you know what, it's just time to replace it, check out the link down below in the comments and description. We will show you how to properly prepare your laundry center for pickup. And there's a right way to do that, there's a wrong way to do that, and anytime you purchase a new washing machine or appliance and you pay for the pickup, there are specific guidelines on how to prepare your appliance for pickup. And we will show you that. In addition, we will install a brand new pad that will catch water. And this one is 29 by 33. And we'll have a link down below where to purchase that. And that will go directly on the very bottom of that. And we will install that here shortly.